Welcome to Freelancer Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be diving into the key features of Freelancer, one of the most popular platforms for both freelancers and clients looking to outsource projects. Freelancer is designed for anyone from skilled professionals like developers, designers, and writers to businesses and startups needing reliable, cost-effective talent. The platform offers a straightforward system to post jobs, receive bids, and collaborate with freelancers in real time. Let's start with the user interface. Freelancer's design is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it accessible to both beginners and seasoned users. As a freelancer, you can create a detailed profile showcasing your skills, past work, and rates, which helps attract clients. As a client, posting a project is quick, and you get access to a vast pool of global talent within minutes. The bidding system is unique in that it lets you set the price for a project or choose from bids that freelancers submit, offering a range of pricing and skill sets. However, Freelancer does charge a fee for both freelancers and clients, which is something to keep in mind when evaluating the platform's affordability. When it comes to payment, Freelancer uses a secure milestone system, ensuring that clients only release funds when they're satisfied with the work done. This adds a layer of trust to the process and helps mitigate potential disputes. Freelancer also offers an hourly project feature, where time is tracked using the platform's desktop app. The payment system is flexible, with multiple options for both parties, including PayPal and bank transfers. The platform's messaging and project management tools are robust, allowing for seamless communication and file sharing. While it lacks some advanced project management features seen on other platforms, it's still functional enough for most tasks. Freelancers also have the option to bid on a variety of projects, ranging from short-term tasks to long-term contracts, providing a steady stream of opportunities. In terms of support, Freelancer offers 24/7 assistance through their help center and live chat. I've found their support team to be responsive and effective in resolving issues quickly. To sum up, Freelancer is a solid platform for both freelancers and clients looking for flexible work arrangements. It offers a good range of features, from bidding and milestone payments to messaging and project tracking. While there are fees to consider, the platform provides ample opportunities for professionals looking to expand their client base or hire talented freelancers. If you're looking for a reliable platform with a global reach, Freelancer is definitely worth considering.